Hello everyone. Good morning to all of you. Today we are begin to our another chapter. Chapter number 4 is the Great Indian Desert. So students, we are discuss with some pictures. So here in India, deserts are found towards the west of Aravalli Range. So in India, deserts are found towards the west of Aravalli Range. This region is called the Western Desert or the Third Desert. Hence, it has very little vegetation. It is located towards the southwest of the northern plain. It stretches from the Rann of Kutch in Gujarat to the borders of Haryana. It covers a large part of Rajasthan. So, in India, deserts are found towards the west of Aravalli Range, and it's also called Western Desert or the Third Desert. So, and it has very little vegetation, and it's located towards the southwest of the northern plain, and it stretches from the Rann of Kutch of Gujarat. And second one is the important cities covered by the desert include Barmar, Jaisalmer, Jodhpur, Ganganagar, Suratnagar and Bikaner. All these areas remain hot and dry for the most of the year. Some parts of these areas are rocky. It lies to the west of the Aravalli Hills and extends into the neighboring country of Pakistan. It is 500 km long and 100 to 300 km wide. In this map, you see that all these cities like Jaisalmer, Jodhpur, Ganganagar, Suratnagar and Bikaner. Okay. Now another one is the desert region remain hot and dry throughout the year. In summer, the days are very hot and the nights are cold. And on the other hand, in winter, the days are warm and the nights are very cold. This is because the sand gets heated and cools down very quickly. Students, in the desert, the only plants that can survive on little water grow here. These are date plum, thorny scrub, cactus and kikar trees. And some places the underground water comes to the surface through a spring source in the desert is called an oasis, and Jaisalmer is one such oasis. And so which places the underground water comes to the surface through a spring source in the desert is also called as oasis. Please remember and note down this point. Now, canals are an important source of water supply in the desert region. So, the Indian government has constructed the Indira Gandhi Canal to bring water from the river Sutlej to parts of the deserts. So, Indira Gandhi canals to bring water from the river Sutlej, and it's part of the deserts. And some parts of the sandy deserts have already begun to look green with trees and crops of many types. The canal is helping farmers to grow different crops such as wheat, jowar and bajra. The government has set up the country's largest wheat farm at Suratgarh. So students, in the desert, there have many problems faced the people. So the canals is helping farmer to grow different crops such as wheat, jowar and bajra, and the government also help us and set up the country's largest wheat farm at Suratgarh. Now students, our another part of this chapter is life in this region. So life in the desert is very hard. People in the desert have adapted to live with the extreme harsh weather conditions, where some places are as hot as fire and some are as cold as ice. The people live on those lands where little water is available, so they can practice agriculture and other activities. People in desert travel on camels, or the carts pulled by the camels. The camels is called the sheep of the desert. I think you already know this point. Camels provide milk and hair, which is used to make clothes. Its skin is used to make tents and leather jacket. The camel is also used to plough the fields and draw water from the wells. So the camel is a very important animal in the desert. So through camel's milk and hair, we use make clothes. Its skin is used to make tents and leather jacket. The camel is also used to plough the fields and draw water from the wells. So the camel is very important animals in the desert of the people. So the people of Rajasthan wear colorful clothes. Rajasthani women wear ghagra, choli and orni, and men wear dhoti, kurta and big turbans. Dal bati surma, gavar, bajre ki roti and gujja are some of the most famous dishes of Rajasthan. The major festivals of Rajasthan are Gangur, Teej, Holi, Dasera, Diwali and Eid. Jaipur is the capital city of Rajasthan. It is also called the Pink City. Now students, our discussion is over, and through the upcoming class I will give all the question and answers part in the PDF file. And all of you today read out this part of this chapter and make a audio or a video and send me in the WhatsApp group. Thank you students. Have a great day ahead and keep smiling always.